Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to back up your files here on Lucidchart. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Backing up your Lucidchart files is a simple process that is essential for safeguarding your work and ensuring uninterrupted access, especially if you wanted to have a copy even if something unexpected happens. So once you are logged into your account, for example, we're going to create a new blank document from scratch and we wanted to create a backup of this specific diagram later. All right. So we're going to click on the new button. Will be forwarded to the section right here. We can insert few files so that later we can maybe start from something like a flow chart. Click this use button. You would be forwarded here. And then I'm going to add more elements. All right, so the element has been added here. Unfortunately, this is not what I wanted. All right, so this is going to be the file. All right, I'm going to add some text here by putting in a shape. Add a text. Gonna make it a little bit bigger. 36, right? So if you wanted to create a backup of this file, all you have to do is go to the upper left corner where you can see the file section. You see, one of the best option is make a copy, all right? Or save a copy. If you click that, the shortcut is going to be Control plus Shift plus S to your keyboard. If you do that, you can. All right, so that means you need to upgrade. For example, we're going to delete this diagram instead. How about we delete everything here? Let's try if we can make a copy of it. All right, so let's try this one instead. Go to File, and then make a copy. All right, so for example, back up file. All right, and click on OK. That's one way for you to be able to back up a certain file here on Lucidchart. All right. Of course, it'll take a little while, but this safeguards your document if ever someone had accidentally deleted the file, especially for working with multiple freelancers. So you'll never know, right? It pays to check the security. Now, another option is go to File again. Another way for you to back up your files is going to the Export button. That's going to be via Lucidspark. If you click that, you would be forwarded to another page wherein you can manually export your file if you want to save the file to your computer, like an offline backup file. You see the copy of backup file. All right. Now, you also have an option to export this externally. You can share it with a link right here and invite maybe your team member or your client. All right. Let's click on maybe later. Now we have the option to save your file as a backup to your computer by pressing any of the following options. You can choose from PDF, PNG, JPEG, SVG, and then click on download, and you would be able to save it to your computer as a backup file. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.